वेलकम बैक टू सिविल स्ट्रक्चर टेक गुरुज यूट्यूब चैनल। हेयर इंजीनियर हरी। आज जुपिटर वैगन के बारे में देखेंगे, हम एनालिसिस देखेंगे इसके बारे में। जुपिटर वैगन पूरे दिन फोकस में रही और 7% अप बनाई थी इंटरडे हाई में, और इसकी क्लोजिंग 700 के आसपास थी, 3% अप में। तो आज फोकस में रहने का कारण यही है कि जुपिटर वैगन की जो सब्सिडरी संस्था है, जो कि आपकी बैटरी, लिथियम बैटरी पर इसने Cloud9 मटेरियल जी फॉरेन की संस्था है, उससे टाई अप करके एक बहुत एडवांस सर्टिफिकेशन प्राप्त किया है, जिससे जो इलेक्ट्रिकल मोबिलिटी होती है, जो आपकी ट्रेन में और अदर संस्थान में, उसमें उनको काफ़ी एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी है। इससे उनको काफ़ी हेल्प मिलेगी रेवेन्यू जनरेशन करने में। तो आप आगे का वीडियो में पूरे चीज़ को देखिए और समझिए, एंड वॉच लिस्ट में रख करके इसको आप आगे की ओर देख सकते हैं। अगर चैनल में नए हैं तो अपना लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब बटन जरूर डाल दीजिए, ताकि आने वाला सभी वीडियो आपको टाइम पे मिलते रहे।
Jupiter Wagons in focus. Shares of Jupiter Wagons surged as much as 5.84% from day's low to hit an intraday high of 700 rupees and 70 paise per share on Thursday, 20th June 2024. The rise in share price came after Jupiter Electric Mobility Private Limited, a subsidiary of Jupiter Wagons, in partnership with Log9 Materials, announced that it has achieved a major milestone in the development and certification of their lithium iron phosphate (LFP) battery technology. This advancement is set to enhance the efficiency and sustainability of rail transport in India. Jupiter Wagons has achieved several milestones in advancing rail transport sustainability through its LFP battery technology. The company successfully completed a 6-month trial and obtained Research Designs and Standards Organization (RDSO) certification for their 11.2 kWh LFP battery pack, becoming the first company to do so. Additionally, Jupiter Wagons secured a major purchase order from Siemens to supply 36 auxiliary batteries, each boosting a 72.8 kWh capacity for 9 Vande Bharat trainsets. These batteries received RDSO approval, affirming their performance and safety standards. Furthermore, BAIL has provided technical qualification for Jupiter's 72.8 kWh LFP battery pack, stressing upon its robustness and technical excellence for Vande Bharat trainsets. These accomplishments underscore our steadfast dedication to innovation and excellence in railway technology. The RDSO certification, the confidence shown by Siemens, and the technical qualification by BAIL are clear indicators of the superior quality and dependability of our LFP battery solutions. Given the significant demand from Indian Railways and the shift from conventional energy sources towards sustainable and energy-efficient solutions, we believe this business can emerge as a significant contributor to overall revenues over a medium to long-term horizon, said Vivek Lohia, Managing Director of Jupiter Wagons. Jupiter Wagons Limited offers a wide range of mobility solutions, encompassing freight wagons, locomotives, passenger coaches, LHB, braking systems, metro coaches, commercial vehicles, ISO marine containers, and various components like couplers, draft gears, bogies, and CMA's crossings. JWL operates manufacturing facilities in Kolkata, Jamshedpur, Indore, and Jabalpur, which are fully integrated with foundry operations. The company has established strategic partnerships with leading global firms such as Tatravgonka, Slovakia, Daco CZ, Czech Republic, Kovis Prozvodna, Slovenia, Tellers Alegria S.A, Spain, Frenoplast S.A, Poland, and LFCIN Group, France. At 2:40 p.m., shares of JWL were trading 3.09% higher at 695 rupees and 80 paise. In comparison, BSE Sensex was trading 0.17% higher at 77,468.28 levels.